Good afternoon. It is Sunday afternoon around 2:40, which is actually 20 till 3. I bought myself a new tool last night. It's called a planer. Very first planer I've ever had in my entire life. This is it right here. That's what it looks like. All right. I got it hooked up to my vacuum. My shop vac, which it said not to do because it said it doesn't suck the chips fast enough. But it's doing a great job because I'm not really cutting a whole lot off right now. So I'm going to show you what it does. This is the piece of wood right there that I'm going to plane. We're going to just see what it does. Okay, I'm going to turn the planer on. I got to check my measurement here. Had to raise it up to just below 1 inch. Now we're going to run it through. The planer actually grabs the wood and pushes it through the two blades that cut it at like 1,600 RPMs a minute. Or is that a second? I don't know, but it goes awful fast. Here it goes. It's cutting it off pretty clean. All right, let's do it again. Got a little bit left there. Needs to be planed off. I think that'll work. But we're going to paint it white anyway. All right, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video.